All right, so we're gonna prove again another theorem of a circle. So let's illustrate again. This is the circle, and then so here's the center. So this is what we want to prove. So let's say there's an angle. Let's say we call it angle A, and then another angle. Um, oh wait. So we're gonna draw this. All right, so they have the same endpoints, and we will call that the angle B. All right, so this will be angle A and angle B. So how are we going to prove that this is what we want to prove, that A equals to B? So that means the measure of angle A is twice the measure of angle B, and that is true to any circles. All right, so let's prove this. So how are we going to prove it? So first is I'm going to divide this angle B. So I will just put angle B outside to make it easier for me to write anything here. So I'm going to divide this into this way so that I can create two isosceles triangle. So we know that this is isosceles triangle because this is radius, radius, and radius. So that means these two angles are the same. So we will name it angle W, and these two angles are the same as well because it's an isosceles triangle. So we will name it angle Y. Okay. So we will remove, let's just erase the R. Oh, okay. So I accidentally erase the one side of the triangle. Okay. So we will name as well the one in the center, these angles. So we will name it angle X and angle Z. So that's W, X, Y, Z angles. So now what is the idea of this? So let's focus first on this triangle. So we know that the sum of the angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. So we can write here 2 angle W plus X is 180 degrees. Also, in this triangle, it's the same idea. Twice of angle Y plus Z. Okay, sorry, I forgot to write the X in the first equation. So twice of angle W plus X equals 180 degrees. The same in the other triangle. Because they are triangles, so it's the same sum. It's 180 degrees. Okay, so if we are going to solve for X and solve for Z in terms of Y and in terms of W, so it's going to be like this. We're going to transpose the 2X, 2W in the other side. So it becomes negative 2W plus 180 degrees. And the Z becomes negative 2Y, negative 2Y plus 180 degrees. Okay, so it's gonna be like that. Now, we know that if we are going to get the sum, okay, so since this one, all right, so I'll just make some broken lines representing this one. Observe that that is a circle, okay? So the total angle of a whole circle is 360 degrees, okay? So if you get the sum of angle X, angle Z, and angle A, it must be 360, okay? So let me write that. The angle Z plus angle X plus angle A, it must be 360 degrees. Okay, so no question with that. Now we are going to use these informations and substitute in our given. In our equation that we come up. So z is negative 2y plus 180 degrees. X is negative 2w plus 180 degrees. Okay, so we can basically write instead of plus negative 2w into minus 2w. So it won't look complicated. And then plus angle A equals 360 degrees. We can combine this 180 into 360. So let's make it like this. Negative 2w. Oh, sorry. Negative 2w minus, negative 2y minus 2w plus the sum of 180, and 180 is 360 degrees, plus A equals 360 degrees. Now we can cancel this 360 and 360 because anyway, we can transpose 360 in the other side and subtract. It's the same. It's going to be 0. So what's left is this, negative 2y minus 2w plus A equals 0. Then we're going to transpose everything to the other side. It will be A equals 2y plus 2w. And yeah, that's A. And we can take out the 2. So A equals 2 times y plus w. Now observe that this is B. The B is the sum of y and w. That's the angle B. So basically it is this. That's the angle B. That's the sum of y and w. So that means we can replace this as B. So let's replace it. It will be A equals 2B. And we have proven that the angle A is equal to which is this. Angle A is equal to twice the measure angle B.